morning from Cambodia. So this village is located along National Road number 6, around 25 kilometers east of Siem Reap town. So it's on the way to Phnom Penh. It might take around 40 minutes drive from Siem Reap downtown to the place. This is the huge village. A lot of villagers from along the road and also back of the road, and some live maybe 1-2 kilometers from the village. They just come to sell their bamboo sticky rice. By holding a stick or bamboo sticky rice to call the customer who traveling along the road. Nơi này cái khu mấy cái? Ok, Roka Kambot Village. Khu mấy cái?
Không, tập biên không.
Tập biên không. Tập biên không không nhung.
Sọt Pra Sát Ba Cong.
Nơi Pra Sát Ba Cong lại vậy? Ba Cong District. Ba Cong District in Siem Reap Province. Anh nóiคือloangចឹងមានន័យថាគេទិញច្រើនណា
អត់ទេកាក់ឲ្យឡានទៅចូល
ចឹងបើយើងអត់នេះចឹងទេអត់ហៅចឹងទេគេអត់សូវឈប់ដែរ
អត់ទៅឈប់
Okay. So this is the way I mean like calling they make the sign for customers traveling along this road. They might be stopped here and to buy their bamboo sticky rice. Yes. I think it's maybe hundreds of the bamboo sticky rice store located along this road. ធ្វើខ្លួនឯង
ចាបង
Maybe her home is 5 minutes drive from here. 6 កន្លះចេញពីផ្ទះមក She start from home at 6:30, leave home at 6:30 and open the store around 7.
តែបងខំអត់តា
បាទ
ម៉ោង3ឡើងក្រោយ
ដុតនៅហ្នឹងហ្មង
អត់ទេគាត់
ដុតនៅផ្ទះ
ចាម៉ោង3យើងចង់ធ្វើរួចម៉ោង6កន្លះយើងយកតែនេះ
មួយថ្ងៃអស់ហើយជាប្រហែល100
មួយថ្ងៃថ្ងៃធម្មតា500ដើមអស់ថ្ងៃធម្មតាណាទេ200
បាទលក់ពីម៉ោង7ទៅម៉ោងប្រហែលជាប្រហែលអស់
ដល់ថ្ងៃក៏ថ្ងៃណាថាអត់ទៀត
អញ្ចឹង
ចាថ្ងៃណាថាអត់ទៅទៀត
ម៉ោងបែប 4-5 ហ៎
អត់ទៀតទេបងអត់នឹងមកឡាយើងថាអស់ម៉ោង 4 មកដល់តែទេម៉ោង 4 មកដល់
10 ព្រឹក
ចា
លឿនដែរចឹង
ដល់ថ្ងៃណាលឿនថ្ងៃណាយូរក៏យើងមកតាមម៉ោង 6 អត់
ហ្នឹងហើយទៅក្រោកតាមម៉ោង 3 ម៉ោង 4 ធ្វើ See woke up very early in the morning to smoke this bamboo sticky rice and bring it to the place to the store and start selling it around the 7 from 7. Someday if they can sell well, maybe 7 to like 9 or 10, they already sold around 100 or 200 already, so they back home. Yeah, but someday it cannot sell it well. Maybe they will stay till late afternoon. Hello. You look so beautiful. ស្អាត 6 ខ្នាត Okay. ហ្នឹងតម្លៃនេះចាប់ពីប៉ុន្មាន
ចាប់ពី 105,000
15,000
105,000 18000 20000
Okay.
25000 30000
Okay.
So ចាំថោក
មួយទៅថាយើងមុខដើមម្ដង 15000 តាមទូទៀតបង 15000
ចា
1,500 real. Yes, 1,500 real. The big one, ធំ
នេះ 3,500
big one is 3 2,500 reals. I think it's very cheap, a good price. If you're traveling along of this road number 6 on the way to Phnom Penh, you can stop and try, and also meanwhile you help the villagers. Yeah. អាហ្នឹងដាក់អីខ្លះនៅក្នុង
ដាក់គ្រាប់ចំបើងហើយនឹងដាក់ចេក
អូអូខេចានេះលាយអីខ្លះ
មានដូងខ្ចី
ដូងខ្ចី coconut
អូបងឲ្យបកបង
coconut អីទៀតបាទ
ទីអង្គ
coconut milk and sticky rice and also black bean black bean oh okay black bean very good ស្ដាយគេស្ងោរមុនណា
ចាបង
អូស្ងោរឆ្អិនមុនហើយបាន
ស្ងោរឆ្អិនបាន
យើង
ចា
okay so for the black bean it's so hard she need to boil it first until it cook and then she mix it with the sticky rice and then it put in a bamboo and smoke it ដុតប្រហែលជាប្រហែលម៉ោងឆ្អិន
ដិតបើតូចអត់ដល់1ម៉ោងទេបើធំទៅ1ម៉ោង
the small one maybe less than 1 hour and for the big bamboo sticky rice maybe take around 1 hour. Oh, very good. Very good, very good. Yeah. Okay, great. Wow. It looks so nice. Tastes quite good. So they use this one to close while they are smoking. So they use rice straw and banana leaf. Okay. Apple. Thank you, thank you. Without refrigerators, so you can keep for 2 days. Lot of them. Hello, lụa đai chó.
Bán rẻ rẻ bụng.
Bán rẻ rẻ à?
Dạ.
Ok, good. Mai này.
Ăn vẽ cái đá.
Cái đá này tầm rồi vậy mà đấy.
Ăn đó lên bụng.
250 eh?
Dạ.
Okay, so it's sold around 50 already. Okay, awesome. Thank you, thank you. Lúc đá chứ o mà nữa. O mà đấy. 5 kg phải chưa mà anh nùng
5 គីឡូបើសិនតែអំពងទូចបានប្រហែលជា80ទៅ90អំពងធំបានជា60ទៅ70
Oh, she already sold around 5 kilo already. So maybe around 80 to 90 bamboo sticky rice. Akun, thank you. Akun. It's selling well, I think. That's why a lot of villagers was coming more and more to sell along here. doing here. It's just cutting the cell of the bamboo. Lụa mang lâu ấy.
Tầm mang cái lâu ông.
Bạch-
Ba thật đau này.
Bạn ở trên 80 đám à?
Dạ.
Oh, very good. She already sold around 80 already. 80 bamboo sticky rice just trăm rupi mau mà mau phấn à?
Dạ.
Mau phấn rất à?
Ăn ngon quá mà không ngon mình.
Ê rupi mau phấn rất máu à?
Dạ.
Oh, 7 to 12 and now she already sold around 80. I think it's very good. Yeah. Yeah, I think they make some money to help their family. Yes, very interesting. I think you are traveling along this road or you come to visit Siem Reap, Angkor Wat, you can try. Yes, you can try this. Okay, thank you. Hello. Tuesday. It's a big village in the back of the jungle. Most of them they are from there. So 1, 2, 3 or 5 kilometers from here. Rồi đam nữa.
Cho pi rồi đam.
Đi rồi đam á. Wow.
Đây ngàn tết rồi mà.
Oh. Yes, great. Yes, she already sold around 200 bamboo sticky rice already. She said that because today is Sunday, a lot of people traveling along this road. Some is back from visiting Angkor Wat, and some is going to visit Angkor Wat. Câu này, câu này,
Mấy cùng.
câu này.
Dạ.
Okay, Turkish. Look cute, so cute. Smile. Okay, Akun. Okay, thank you. Akun. There's one beautiful pagoda here. Very nice. This pagoda they call Wat Ksat. Beautiful statue of Buddha. Let's take a quick look around. Beautiful art decoration. It has a school, primary school inside of this pagoda area. Look at these two beautiful big trees. It look very nice garden. Very nice school in the countryside. Beautiful gardens, very nice, good atmosphere. And this is the bell.